The British government is abandoning its coronavirus tracing app. The Department of Health will work with tech giants to develop new technology. Sky News correspondent Tom Rayner has the latest.
This is uncomfortable for the government because they'd promised what was described as a world-beating app, first by mid-May and then by June. The Prime Minister had hailed it as such as well, and yet clearly what we have heard today is that the bespoke NHS X project has effectively been abandoned. However, what you heard Matt Hancock set out there was that this wasn't a case of the government ploughing forward with its fingers in its ears, ignoring the concerns that were being raised by people about the fact that this NHS app might have problems working on the Apple operating system, and that is exactly what they found, that it was only able to establish about 4% of contacts when it came to Apple phones because the app was pushed into the background. Instead, what Matt Hancock said is that while they were developing the NHS X app, they were also testing the Google and Apple platform, which is what a number of other countries have since switched to. And what they found by doing that combined testing is that actually there were flaws in both systems. So on the one hand, the NHS app was failing to make and identify these contacts, particularly with Apple phones, but equally that they found that the Google and Apple platform had difficulty establishing the distance between two users, which is of course important when you're taking decisions about potentially asking someone to self-isolate. There is a significant difference between someone being in 1 metre contact and 3 metres contact.